Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at a product designed to elevate your carpet cleaning experience. The Bissell OXY Clean Refresh with Febreze Original Gain Scent Carpet Deep Clean Solution. This powerful solution promises not only to deep clean carpets, but also to eliminate odors while leaving behind that familiar fresh scent of Febreze with a twist of Gain. It's formulated for use in leading upright carpet cleaners. And today, we'll explore whether it lives up to its claims. The Bissell OXY Clean Refresh solution boasts a unique blend of oxy technology combined with the fresh scent of Febreze and Gain. What makes this particular cleaner stand out is its dual-action approach, working to remove dirt and grime while neutralizing odors. The Oxy formula claims to lift embedded dirt from carpets, making it an ideal choice for homes with pets or high foot traffic. This cleaner is designed to target tough stains as well as odors that can linger after typical cleaning methods. When you use the Bissell OXY Clean solution, you're not just treating the surface dirt. The Oxy formula works its way deep into the fibers, breaking down tough stains and dirt particles that a standard vacuum or dry cleaner might leave behind. This feature is particularly useful for those challenging areas that attract dust and debris, such as corners or areas with heavy traffic. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, spills, or just the wear and tear of daily use, this solution promises a thorough clean. As you use it with your upright carpet cleaner, the Febreze and Gain scent works to refresh the room, ensuring that while you're tackling grime, your carpet smells just as fresh as it looks. The cleaner's ability to mask or eliminate odors is a standout feature, especially in households with pets or anyone sensitive to lingering smells. This can be particularly important for those who struggle with persistent odors from pets, smoke, or even mildew, which tend to cling to carpet fibers. One of the most notable things about this deep cleaning solution is its suitability for both new and well-maintained carpets. Its gentle yet effective formula promises not to harm carpet fibers, while still delivering a deep clean that can bring back the vibrancy of your carpet's original colors. It also works well on various carpet types, from plush shag to Berber, ensuring that it doesn't leave behind residue or buildup, a common concern with harsher cleaning agents. In terms of performance, the Bissell OXY Clean Refresh solution is easy to use. Simply add it to your upright carpet cleaner, following the manufacturer's recommended mixing instructions, and let the machine do the work. Whether you're dealing with a light cleaning session or tackling a particularly stubborn stain, the solution's formula ensures an even application of cleaning power. The Oxy component helps lift even deeply embedded dirt, while the Febreze Gain scent ensures that your home smells fresh after the cleaning process. Real-world testing reveals that the Bissell OXY Clean solution works efficiently on both visible dirt and hidden particles. During testing, the solution handled a range of stains with ease, from coffee spills to mud tracked in from outdoors. It's worth noting that while the product performs well in homes with pets, it's particularly useful for families who want a solution that's effective without being overwhelming in scent. The Febreze Gain fragrance offers a clean, fresh scent, but doesn't overpower the room or linger for too long, providing just the right balance. On the flip side, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the scent is generally pleasant, those who are particularly sensitive to fragrances may want to test it before committing to regular use. Additionally, while the product works well with most upright carpet cleaners, it may not be as effective with handheld models or certain low-powered machines. Also, although the solution tackles everyday dirt and grime, for particularly heavy stains or ground-in dirt, multiple treatments may be necessary to achieve the best results. Now, as for value, the Bissell OXY Clean Refresh solution sits at a mid-range price point. It's reasonably priced for a carpet cleaner of this quality, especially given its dual function of deep cleaning and odor removal. When compared to other solutions in the market, particularly those that don't offer the Febreze scent or the Oxy technology, this product provides great value. Alternatives might be cheaper, but they often lack the same level of cleaning power or fail to provide lasting odor control. In comparison to other options, the Bissell OXY Clean solution stands out due to its combination of effective stain removal, deep cleaning technology and long-lasting freshness. Some competing brands offer basic cleaning solutions that lack the odor elimination and scent enhancement, but they often come at a lower price. However, the added Febreze and Gain scent can be a deciding factor for those looking for both a clean and a fresh-smelling home. In terms of build quality and longevity, this solution doesn't require much maintenance. As long as it's used correctly with an upright carpet cleaner, you won't need to worry about any long-term degradation or performance loss. Just ensure that you follow the instructions for use and store the solution properly. Ultimately, the Bissell OXY Clean Refresh with Febreze Original Gain Scent Carpet Deep Clean Solution offers a well-rounded option for those looking to keep their carpets not only clean, but also smelling fresh. Its dual-action cleaning formula provides excellent value for the price, especially for pet owners or anyone dealing with persistent odors in their home. The product delivers on its promise to lift stains, refresh carpets, and keep your space smelling like new, all while being easy to use and safe for most carpet types. Thank you for tuning in to Reviewsinside TV. If you've tried this product, let us know in the comments. What's your experience with it? If you haven't, don't forget to check out the link to the product in the comments below. As always, we're here to help you keep your home fresh, clean, and comfortable. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean house is a happy house.